In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can buy crypto quickly, easily, and very efficiently. It can be any exchange, wherever you want. I'm going to do everything here just using my phone, showing you how easy it is to buy crypto. So I'm going to explain, for those of you who don't have much knowledge, how you can buy crypto. The easiest way is to have an account with an exchange. The exchange can be Binance, it can be crypto.com, it can be Mesk, it can be whatever you want. I use crypto.com. I'm going to do it here for you, and the step-by-step will appear on your screen so you can follow along with me. The first thing you need to do is download the app, whichever one you choose, from your phone's app store. Download here.com, download Binance. Whichever one you want, I think crypto.com is easier. In fact, if you want to open an account on crypto.com, there's a link in the first pinned comment so you can check it out and open an account easily. So I'm going to do it here with you so you can follow along with me and see how easy it is to open an account and invest in cryptocurrency. I use my fingerprint to open it. I've already deposited 103 rays and 77 cents into this account. So I've already transferred the money. As soon as you open the account on crypto, there's a step-by-step process so you can transfer money from your traditional bank to your account on that platform. And from there, you can make purchases. Here, I have 100 rays, and I'm going to send it to a wallet in a simple and easy way for you. The first one that can't be missing here is Bitcoin. So let's go. And here, it already appears among the major ones. Just like them, it already gives you this option. It's very easy. Right away, you can already find Bitcoin here on the exchange at .com. So it will show up here, even the line for you, the indicators, how much that platform, how much Bitcoin is rising on the day, what the price of Bitcoin is that day, and the indexes, right? So you have all the data here, and on the exchange, you just have to press the buy Bitcoin button. Then you choose how much you want to buy. In this case, it already suggests an amount for you. In my case, I'm going to buy $50 in Bitcoin because for a well-balanced wallet, it needs to have Bitcoin, and Bitcoin should have a greater weight among all cryptocurrencies. So let's go review the order. It's already here for you. One thing, trading fee is exempt. Total cost, 50 rays and the value of Bitcoin. Crypto.com is fee-free, so it makes it much easier for you to trade all the cryptos you want. So the price has already updated. Here, it will update in 15 seconds, confirm, and then you enter your details, your password if you want, and automatically the purchase has already been successfully completed. See how easy it is? See how fast it is? Let's go buy another cryptocurrency. I've already received an email here letting me know that I made the purchase of the cryptocurrency here. It automatically showed up for me. Let's go wallet. Very important here. When you click on the menus below, the menus that appear below, apparently wallet shows up. Look here, my Bitcoin is already here and has already gone up. ZOF34, I just bought $50 with you and it has already gone up. See how interesting that is. The cash balance is here, 53.64, so we can still make purchases. So what can I do? There's a trade button where you can buy or sell crypto. That's what we're doing, buying, and there's a market option so we can see all the interesting coins. Here are some market indicators talking about fear and greed. Bitcoin's dominance, which is at 53% of the market. Today, Bitcoin represents the trading volume of the last 24 hours, which is $140 billion. That's a lot of money, right? And the total market capitalization is $4 trillion. So without a doubt, it's a very interesting market. Here there are several cryptocurrencies that crypto.com ends up recommending to you. I have some particular favorites here. I've already carefully selected some of my top favorites, including Tectonic, Kronos, and Milady. Here are a few interesting meme coins, so we can thoroughly check and explore them together right now. So there are many cryptocurrencies. I always put some Dogecoin in my wallet. Well, Pepe has a lot of it. And here one even gets a document from me that says Pepe is already dead. I don't believe Pepe died. Kronos are, it's here too, with SUI. I really believe in the rise of that one.com even today. It is falling 4%. Here I still believe. Dogecoin SD with a lot of people here are some favorites that I put, right? So let's put another one here that's in the wallet. Let's check. Whoever performs best here has other outlets with better performance in the last 24 hours. See that there is URD contest. Up 74% just in the last 24 hours. There's 80 here too, up 53%. There are a lot of cryptocurrencies here going up a lot. Notice that some have very low values, which makes it much easier for you to work with them. So you can see there are plenty of options here for investors with little money. You can get in and trade a lot of things here. Dogecoin is up 9% and Bonk is also up 9%. These are low value cryptocurrencies. So let's just do a quick test here. Let's put about $10 into each of these cryptocurrencies so we can track them. So you Click on the crypto. There's no secret. You saw it, you picked the one you wanted. Check how much MOG is worth. Today there are 5 zeros after the decimal point, then 53.41 for us to buy. So let's put 10 RAs here, because without a doubt 10 RAs of this cryptocurrency will get us a lot. So it gives a suggestion. Here I'll put 10 reais, and with 10 reais I can buy 1,070,546 MOG. So without a doubt it's an absurd amount considering the trading volume. Basically what it says in summary is just to buy, and then I confirm with my fingerprint at that point. Can you do that? Your order has already been processed, right? It's already done. So let's go back to the market again and check something else. I've already bought a blog with 50% of my portfolio in Bitcoin and 10% in a meme coin. Now, let's say you took it, that really, even with it, you know me, just a little bit of spice in the middle of the ones you took, right? Let's take a look here now, for example, at XLM, which is one of the favorite picks here on the channel, one of my favorites too. Today it's worth 290 and it's up 4%. Look at that, how beautiful, what a wonderful thing. So let's do a calculation here now, also with Stellar. So it's worth 2 reais. Let's buy a little bit here, send it over to this wallet just a bit. I've already received a notification here confirming the transaction. All set, let's check now. It suggested a high value, but let's put in another $10, which is about 4.79 XLM confirmed. And there you go. It's simple to sum up. Buying is no secret. It's very easy. It's very straightforward for you to buy at that point. So I repeat, you just have to contra la grida. So there's a link in the first pinned comment for you to buy and open your account easily through my link. And I've already received the email from Crypto with information about my account. I click on the screen, go back there, and now let's look for another really interesting cryptocurrency. The purchase of XLM has been made, it's there. Now let's add another cryptocurrency to our portfolio, to our wallet. We've already bought 50% in Bitcoin, 10% in a meme coin. XLM is there. Now let's add another cryptocurrency. We still have a $33 in cash, and we already have $70 in crypto in our wallet. So we can still buy something else here. These amounts are low precisely so that beginners can understand more or less step by step how to buy cryptocurrency easily and with little money. Okay, 100 reais is very little money, so you can build a portfolio with 100 reais easily. Let's go check out the sales here. Now I'm going to my favorites of the day, and here I can choose my favorites. You can see there are a lot of options. Remember, I'm doing this randomly so you can understand how to buy and build a wallet with small amounts. Here, I'm just going to go a little crazy. Start buying some cryptocurrencies that have relatively lower prices. So let's buy some cryptocurrencies here with really low values, like Bonk, for example. Bonk has a lower price. It's a meme coin, right? And with 10 reais, you can buy an absurd amount of Bonk. Does that mean it's going to skyrocket? No, but it's still a cryptocurrency. When it does go up, especially when Bitcoin rises, it goes up a lot. So let's get a little Bonk here. Let's see how it is today. Currently, we have 33 reais. So let's put 3 reais into Bonk so we can buy a pretty interesting amount, right? For example, confirming the amount is no big deal, and then we can add another very low value cryptocurrency to your wallet. You can see that I bought 100,049 Bonk, definitely a pretty interesting amount. Crypto.com automatically notified me, and everything is set for my purchase. So now let's go back to the other purchase. There's PEP. I've already bought Bonk. I've already bought. Now I'm going to buy PEP, which also has a very low price. And regarding the coin, right? So I'm adding a bunch of low value coins here exactly so we can organize and see if it's worth it. Just like a small investor, they can buy. Let's go buy another 10 rays of PEP. Definitely 10 rays of PEP. That's a significant amount, right? Let's take a quick look here and comment. And Crypto.com also has another option that I find really interesting, which is good for you to keep an eye on all the time. The exchange notifies your account about the option for new cryptocurrencies. Everything that's new ends up showing up here. There are also the most traded ones, as the name suggests, and you can check their performance, as the name also implies. And there are the newcomers that are entering the market here, like NEC, which has a very low value, and also Football Arena PopFan here as well, which is one of the ones I have. There's a video here on the channel talking about PopFan, no doubt. It seems really interesting. I have a video here on the channel discussing them. But now let's look for a fifth completely unknown coin so that we can get into this market. Let's see how things are going for them here. Then we can analyze a bit more and see if Snack is worth it or not, right? It already has a market cap of 1 billion. It has the same 155, and Okay, it's moving $58 million. No, 58 million raised per day, right? So without a doubt, Snack could be quite interesting. It has 74 billion. Snack is a meme coin. It's built on Cardano. No doubt it's really interesting. Let's look at a slightly longer period to see how it's been performing. Over 3 months, it's up 53%, and over a year, it's already up 471. How to buy Snack doesn't cost anything, right? So the price is really low, so we can just have a little fun with it. Here I have 10 rays in my wallet. I'm going to put 10 rays into Snack here so that we can, with this amount, I'm buying 428 Snack, right? Who knows? Maybe Snack will have a boom like Bitcoin. I become a multi-millionaire, shut down the channel, and say goodbye to you all. Just kidding, that's not true. Of course I won't. I'll keep showing things to you here. So purchase completed successfully. Let's summarize how our portfolio is doing here. Accounts with Visa. All the purchases and sales that are made in your portfolio. Accounts. And then you have cryptos. Let's see how the crypto is doing here. 133.38 O's is the total value. So, and that already pulls up my portfolio to see how my crypto account is doing here. So I have 12 cents in Chromos, remembering that I had 50 reais in Bitcoin, 13 reais in BOM, and 10 reais is still there. This one is already being used here. Look, Snack, 10 reais, right? Pepe from Pepe, and it amounts to 997. So you see that it's a small portfolio with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cryptocurrencies, with the largest weight being in Bitcoin. Okay, did you already know about this? Did you already know how to buy cryptocurrency at that place or at any exchange? Some things are more complex, others are really simple. It's in this style here at Ducky Ponto, very easy, very efficient. If you later want to transfer your cryptocurrencies to a wallet, there's another way to do it. I'll show a video explaining how, but let me know in the comments if you like this kind of video. Leave your like, leave your comment. Don't forget, if you want to open an account at crypto.com, I'll leave a link in the first pinned comment so you can open it with my link, and you can even earn up to $30 from the exchange, depending on the investment you make. Okay? A hug and see you next time.